art of effective delegation. Let's get started. Idea 1. Delegation is a game changer for any business owner. Yes, including you. By learning how to delegate effectively, you can form a team, empower them, streamline your operations, and find more time for your loved ones and for yourself. I used to think that delegation was just about passing on my tasks. I did not realize that it was that type of thinking that led me to fail. I just asked a new hire to watch me do what I do and then expect her to be able to learn it in a day. How wrong I was. After a lot of trial and error, I finally figured out that delegation is about giving the right instructions, trusting other people, and letting them take on some responsibility. No, not just the task. Notice that I did not say tasks, but responsibilities. Yes, we begin by identifying tasks that can be delegated without compromising the quality of your output. Again, the most important thing here is to provide crystal clear instructions, making sure that these are fully and completely understood, and then trusting that they can do it. I hope you're inspired by the research results showing that businesses that delegate effectively, they often experience improved productivity and employee satisfaction. And when our employees are happily producing, we are of course more happily able to enjoy more time to do other things that have more value for us, right? Let's now go to idea number 2, empowering your team. Now, whether you're just all alone now in your business as a solopreneur or you're already starting to build your team, know that this team is your greatest asset. Invest time in training and mentoring them to make sure that they have the skills and confidence to handle delegated tasks. Encourage questions and feedback and build a collaborative environment instead of a top-down military-style approach. Idea number 3, setting expectations and accountability. In delegation, make sure that communication is always clearly given and understood. Remember to always define expectations, deadlines, and desired outcomes. After communicating all these well, be consistent in implementing regular check-ins to track progress and provide constructive feedback. Hold your team accountable while offering support to show them that you have their back always. One very helpful thing to do is to use project management tools to streamline communication and monitor task progress effectively. Remember, by mastering delegation, you're not just lightening your business load, you're nurturing a thriving team and reclaiming precious time for yourself.